So hello you guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Here we go for binary trading. Everyone know we use binary trading with app Olam Trade. So Olam Trade is very best platform to we use for binary trading. But let's see. Okay, here we go. First open and let's see. Okay, we have $10,000 in the account. First pair is Euro USD open. First we analyze chart, then second we do our strategy. So let's see. So here we go for first analyze, then second we trade. So here we much more amount, so we choose 1000. Okay, here we go for sell. Let's see guys. Okay, let's see our analysis is right or wrong. Okay, we have 40 seconds. Let's see guys. Okay, we have 20 seconds. Okay, market gone really upward. Here we go for buy. Let's see. Okay, here we go for again $2000 buy. We do a big risk, but let's see. Okay, we have only 20 seconds. Let's see guys. Leave a like guys, and if you are new, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, book 1 hour profit, and market gonna really come back again, so it's a very dangerous. So let's see. Okay, 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, here's again profit, big amount. So okay, now we have $11,460. So let's see. Now here we go for something new. Now we do for sell $500, and let's see what happened there. Okay, market gone upward. Let's see, 30 seconds only. Okay, here we go for again sell, but our sell it's a down, but let's see, because my internet. Only 10 seconds. Okay, come on, again down. Our analysis right. 3 2 1. Okay, no. Here we do again big rigs for buy. Let's see guys. Only 20 seconds. Okay, market gone really again upward. 10 seconds only. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, here's again profit guys. That's it. Okay, 20 seconds only. to book our big amount profit. Okay, our analysis is right, guys. Okay, market don't really come back again. So let's see. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's a really big amount profits. So now we have $13,010. So that's our strategy, guys, and I hope you like it. So here we go for again analyze chart, and again we trade, but we do minimum amount like $500 for sell. Let's see, guys. Okay, here's a really market gone downward. Okay, come on, come back again. Market gone really upward again. So here we go for again 10 seconds only, but our trade are in loss. So let's see, guys. Okay, here's a come again profit. Okay, one. Oh, and that's it. Our analysis is right. So that's the thing, guys. Okay, here we go for now buy. $500 buy. Market gone reverse. Let's see. That's the last trade, guys. Okay, market gone really. I think it's a fake out, but let's see. 35 seconds only. Oh no, as FSC. So we have only 25 seconds, but market gone really down. So here we go for close our first entry. Only 15 seconds, but market gone really downward trend. So that's a strategy, guys. I hope you like it because we earned in 8 minutes $2,920. So that's a very big amount, guys. So that's it. See you guys soon again, and I hope you like my video. So please support me, and if you're new, so please like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates. So see you guys soon again. Bye bye.